Advanced question solving technique number one, it's called gold or fool's gold. So when you get into a question, all right, and you're going through and look at the answer choices, some of them jump out at you and like, pick me, pick me, pick me. What I want you to ask is, does this answer choice solve the issue that's up above in the question? Does it solve it just for now, like boom, Band-Aid style? Or does it get a long-term solution? That's what we want to know. Now, as we think about it, the fool's gold, the now type answers, they're more reactive, right? They're short term in essence. They probably feel good. They're more boom, they're going to hit something. We're going to do something. We're going to fire somebody. We're going to take action in a reactive way. It's a lot of ego driven stuff. Okay. Now, if you find yourself being drawn to those, recognize it, because we want to pull ourselves all those answers, because the answers on the PMP are talking long term. They're thinking down the road. So we want the Goldie answers. What we want is a disciplined answer. We want a long term answer, the calculated, logic driven, like big picture perspective, build people up. Those kind of things that are going to create a better world, a better process, a more dependable project as we move forward. So stay away from those fool's gold and get into the gold. All right, well, I'll see you in the next video.